Are you ready to transform your life with fitness but don't know where to start? I welcome you to the journey where every step counts towards a healthier, happier you. Hey, this is Blackryu Fitness, your new go-to channel for beginning your fitness journey. If you clicked on this video, chances you're ready to take the first steps into a healthier lifestyle, but might be feeling a little bit overwhelmed about where to start. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to guide you through the basics of getting started with fitness, tailored for beginners. Fitness is more than just a physical transformation. It's about building a stronger, more confident version of yourself. But starting fitness journey can be daunting, especially with the plethora of information out there. My goal today is to simplify this process, providing you with clear, practical advice that you can start implementing right now. Remember, every fitness journey is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. That's why we're focusing on foundational principles that are universally beneficial. Let's get started. The journey into fitness begins with a clear understanding of your personal motivations. This crucial step is about introspection and recognizing what you truly want to achieve. Are you looking to improve your overall health? Perhaps to manage a medical condition better? Maybe your aim is to build strength, not just physically, but mentally too. Weight loss is another common goal, driven by a desire to improve body image and boost self-esteem. Or perhaps you're seeking to alleviate stress, using exercise as a tool to enhance your mental well-being. Understanding the why behind your fitness journey shapes not only your approach, but also keeps you motivated when challenges arise. The next step is setting goals, but not just any goals, SMART goals. This means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of setting a broad, undefined goal, like get fit, focus on something more concrete and attainable. For example, you might aim to jog for 20 minutes without stopping in 3 months. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting such well-defined goals helps maintain focus and provides a clear path to track your progress. For beginners, the key to sustainability in fitness routines is to start slow and gradually build up. Jumping into intense workouts right away can be overwhelming and can lead to injuries. Start with shorter sessions of lower intensity and gradually increase both the duration and intensity of your workouts. This approach helps your body adapt to the new physical demands without overstraining. It's about building a foundation of strength and endurance upon which more challenging workouts can be later built. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in fitness. It's not just about eating less or cutting out certain food groups. Instead, focus on a balanced diet that fuels your body. This includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins and minerals. Lean proteins are important for muscle repair and growth, while whole grains offer the necessary energy. It's about creating a diet that supports your workout regimen and overall health goals. Hydration is another key element, often overlooked. Water is essential for almost every bodily function, including the efficient performance of your workouts. It's important to stay hydrated throughout the day, not just during or after exercise. This helps with energy levels, recovery, and overall performance. Rest and recovery are as important as the workouts themselves. They allow your muscles to heal and grow stronger. It's essential to listen to your body and incorporate rest days into your fitness routine. These breaks help prevent burnout and injuries, ensuring that your fitness journey is sustainable in the long run. Quality sleep is non-negotiable. Aspect of recovery is during sleep that your body repairs and strengthens itself. Ensuring you get enough restful sleep is crucial for both physical recovery and mental sharpness. It plays a significant role in your performance during your workouts and in your daily life. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to first steps into fitness. Remember, the journey into fitness is a personal one. It's all about progress, not perfection. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. They're just a part of the journey. Stay consistent, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear about your fitness journey and what content you'd like to see in the next. And don't forget to subscribe to Blackryu Fitness. More guides, tips, and inspiration to keep you motivated on your fitness journey. Stay strong and keep moving forward.